Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has at least 30% battery and won't lose power. This prevents interruptions that could corrupt system state. Once ready, you'll force a clean reboot into or out of safe mode. Press and hold power, then choose restart or power off. If the device shows safe mode text, press and hold volume down during startup to toggle safe mode off. This sequence works because safe mode disables third-party apps, so you can isolate software issues. Once you're out of the basic restart, focus on the why. Third-party apps commonly force safe mode to persist. You'll inspect recently installed or updated apps, open settings, then apps, and sort by install date to find suspects. Uninstall only one app at a time and reboot to test. This isolates the culprit without losing more data than necessary. Make sure to check apps with device administrator access and revoke that permission before uninstalling so the removal completes cleanly. If removing apps does not resolve safe mode, a factory reset is the last reliable software fix. Backup photos, contacts, and messages first because reset erases user data. Then go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset, right arrow Factory Data Reset. This restores the phone to stock, removing misbehaving configurations. Once done, set up the device without restoring all apps, install only trusted ones, and watch for safe mode recurrence. If safe mode still appears, that suggests a hardware or firmware fault. Consult an authorized technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.